Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management Fall River, and we are looking at 1887 Acushnet Ave, Apartment 3 SW. This is a third floor, multi-level, 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment located on the corner of Acushnet Ave in New Bedford. This unit has tile and carpet floors, as well as a room with hardwood floors. Here we are in the main kitchen dining room area with the nice space heater, tile floor. We have the stainless steel sink here with some nice cabinet space above. Uses a gas stove. Stairs up to the second level. Coming around, we have the bathroom here. Again, tile floor throughout. Sink, medicine cabinet. Full-size tub is included with this unit as well, and a shower. Coming back out, we have the only bedroom on this floor. It's the one with hardwood, as you can see. It's a cozy little bedroom, but it does have a nice large closet, as you can see here. You have the drop ceiling panels as well. Now moving upstairs, we have the other 2 bedrooms. Here we have the first bedroom. Every bedroom does have a nice closet as well. This room does have a small slanted ceiling, as you can see. Enough to fit a full-size mattress in this room, but nothing more. Moving around the corner, we have the next room right on the side of it, equipped with carpet. Same slanted ceiling. Got a little corner space here. And then we have the sliding door closet. Alright. And you can see the view below from the second floor. And this unit is managed by Nexus Property Management, so you do have benefits such as key copying services, paying rent online, and as well as access to a 24-hour hotline number for all your repairs and maintenance needs. Again, this is 1887 Acushnet Ave, New Bedford, Apartment 3 SW.